Boeing Defence Australia, BDA, has announced an exciting new recruitment drive aimed at attracting 36 apprentices and trainees to work on the Australian Army's advanced AH-64E Apache helicopter fleet. The new helicopters are expected to be stationed at RAAF Base Townsville later this year, with formal training for successful applicants set to begin in January 2026. This initiative provides a rare opportunity for local job seekers to enter the aerospace and defence sectors without prior experience. Aviation Australia will deliver the required training locally, ensuring candidates are fully prepared to work on one of the world's most sophisticated military helicopters. It's not every day that residents of Townsville get the chance to work on cutting-edge military technology, said Amy List, Managing Director of BDA. Boeing emphasizes that this program is ideal for anyone interested in launching a long-term, rewarding career in aerospace. Working on Apache helicopters could be the first step in a Boeing career, Ms. List noted. Our team maintains a diverse fleet for the Australian Defence Force, including CH-47F Chinooks in Townsville, as well as F/A-18F Super Hornets and C-17A Globemaster IIIs across southeast Queensland. The recruitment campaign includes 3 types of positions designed to cater to a range of skills and interests. 12 traineeships are available for a Certificate 2 in aircraft line maintenance, providing foundational skills in aircraft upkeep and inspections. Additionally, 12 apprenticeships are offered for a diploma in aeroskills, avionics, allowing candidates to specialize in the complex electrical and electronic systems that keep modern aircraft operational. The final 12 positions are apprenticeships for a diploma in aeroskills, mechanical, focusing on the mechanical and structural elements of aircraft maintenance. One of the most notable aspects of the program is its accessibility. Applicants do not need any prior aviation or defense experience, making this an ideal entry point for young people, career changers, and local residents seeking new opportunities in a high-tech field. Aviation Australia's locally delivered training ensures that candidates gain practical, hands-on experience in aircraft maintenance and systems management, preparing them for a career in one of the most technologically advanced areas of defense aviation. BDA is also keen to highlight the long-term career potential these roles offer. With experience on the Apache fleet, candidates can explore broader opportunities within Boeing, including maintenance, engineering, and avionics roles across various military aircraft platforms. The company maintains a strong presence in Australia's defence aerospace sector, supporting multiple aircraft types that are critical to the nation's military capabilities. The program's timing aligns with the upcoming deployment of the AH-64E Apaches to Townsville, providing an immediate and tangible context for training. Candidates who join the program will be among the first to gain hands-on experience with these helicopters in Australia, positioning them as highly skilled professionals in a niche field. For BDA, the initiative also addresses a growing need for skilled maintenance personnel capable of supporting an expanding fleet of modern military aircraft. Beyond technical skills, BDA stresses that applicants will develop critical problem-solving, teamwork, and safety management capabilities, all of which are essential in defense aviation. Working on military helicopters requires precision, attention to detail, and the ability to operate under high standards of performance. By completing an apprenticeship or traineeship through this program, candidates gain credentials that are recognized across the aerospace industry, opening doors for further education and career progression. For residents of Townsville and the surrounding regions, this recruitment campaign represents a rare chance to enter a highly specialized sector while contributing directly to Australia's defence capabilities. With applications open now, Boeing Defence Australia encourages anyone with a strong work ethic, curiosity for technology, and a passion for aviation to apply. In summary, Boeing's apprenticeship and traineeship program for the AH-64E Apache helicopters offers a unique blend of training, career development, and hands-on experience. By joining the program, candidates not only gain access to one of the world's most advanced military helicopters but also position themselves for a long-term career with one of the leading aerospace companies globally.